Here I have Motorola Moto E7i Power, and today I'm going to show you how to transfer files from internal storage to the SD card on this device. So to do this, firstly you have to open Files application. Then you can see you can share these categories like downloads, images, videos, audio, apps, documents, and other. So let's transfer, for example, an image, maybe 2 of them. Firstly, you have to select them, then tap here, then select if you want to copy or to move them. So let's copy them, copy to the SD card, continue, then tap continue one more time, allow access to SD card. And after that they will be copied, and now we can find them in our SD card in this download folder, and here they are. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.